How long do chlorine tablets last in a 5,000 gallon swimming pool? What about an 8,000 gallon swimming pool or a 10,000 gallon swimming pool? The amount of time that chlorine tablets last actually has nothing to do with the size of your swimming pool. So what does affect how long 3-inch chlorine tablets last? It's really 3 things. Number 1, it depends how the chlorine tablets are added, whether they're placed in a feeder, floater, or a skimmer. Number 2, pool temperature. Chlorine tablets tend to last longer at cooler temperatures. And 3, the duration a chlorine tablet lasts really depends on your pump or your feeder settings. So how long it takes for a chlorine tablet to dissolve really varies for every pool. As a general rule, we see stabilized or trichlor tablets last around 2 to 3 days. Keep in mind that's based on the physical dissolving of the tablets, not the actual free available chlorine that you're testing with your test strips and your test kits. The free available chlorine level changes based on pool use, sunlight, CYA levels, and the number of 3-inch chlorinating tablets being used. So how often should you add chlorine to a pool? Remember, you always want your free available chlorine levels to stay between 1 and 4 parts per million for ideal swimming conditions. So test your water weekly or more often if you've had rain or a lot of pool use. Each of these 3-inch chlorinating tablets treats 10,000 gallons of water. So you'll place 1 tablet in your pool feeder, floater, or skimmer for every 10,000 gallons of water your pool has. And you'll do that every week or as often as needed to maintain a chlorine residual of 1 to 4 parts per million. Since this pool is about 20,000 gallons, we'll add 2 tablets. And don't add the chlorine tablets directly to the pool. That can cause damage to pool surfaces. That's it for now. For more on chlorine levels, watch our video on how to raise the chlorine levels of your pool. I'm Megan D for A Clean, Clear Swimming Pool. Until next time.